guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and welcome to our Irish family. So today I want to do the first video that I'm going to be doing in a planning series, how I plan my week, how I plan my month as a stay-at-home mom, and also how I plan my YouTube and my blog content. So it's going to be like just a couple of videos on how I organize myself to stay on plan and not get frazzled. So today's video is going to be my meal planning, and I started to meal plan monthly the 2-3 months ago. I use just a calendar that I found on the internet. I will have it linked if you're interested. You can do your own one with your own country. In Ireland the week starts on a Monday. I know in the States it starts on a Sunday, so you can kind of put it however you want to do, and then you can name it whatever you want to name. So without further ado, let's jump in and I will show you my July's meal plan. So this is the calendar that I use. It is from timeanddate.com. I will have it linked below, and you can see it says July 2018 and then it says dinner meal plan, and now I am just showing you. I wrote 14 meals down and they were the ones at the top of my head, so I'm going to use them as reference when I'm making the meal plan. So it is already the 4th, so I will be marking out 1st, 2nd and 3rd, and then I'm just going to jump in and write down random meals on random days. I don't really have a set plan for anything. There's no like Taco Tuesday or I only have spaghetti on Mondays. It kind of just works out like that. And it did take me a long time to fill this out, like something like 12 minutes. The only thing that is consistent is a Sunday. Sundays we always go to Robert's parents' house for dinner, so every Sunday we will be eating out. Meal planning like this really does help me, because while I go shopping on a weekly basis, either on a Friday or a Saturday, I can just look at my meal plan and buy the produce that I need and put it on my shopping list, and it really helps me spend less time thinking about what I'm going to buy in the shopping, and also going to the shopping centre without a grocery list, because that just doesn't work out. It just doesn't, we spend too much money. So having the meal plan enables me to make the grocery list, which enables me to spend within my budget. So they all have a knock-on effect, and I have really enjoyed making a monthly meal plan. The recipes for all of these things will be below if I have done a video on it, and the link to this particular calendar will also be below. So this is my meal plan for the month of July. So it is now the 4th, so the 1st, 2nd and 3rd I already have had meals for it, and I plan to film this at the weekend, but I just never got around to it. So the 4th tonight we're gonna have sticky chicken, and the recipe for that is in the description. Thursday we're gonna have chicken rolls, which is basically a roast chicken on a baguette bread roll. Then Friday we're gonna have basically it's like breakfast for dinner, so we're just gonna do sausage, beans and chips are fries. Chicken Kiev, and the recipe for the chicken Kiev is linked in the description for you to check out. Every single Sunday we eat out in Robert's parents' house. Burgers on the 9th. Oops, can't see it. Burgers on the 9th, pork chops on the 10th. So the recipe for the pork chops that I'll be doing will be linked in the description for you to check out. Lemon chicken is a new one. It's a Slimming World friendly lemon chicken, so I'm excited to try that out because I am a fan of Chinese lemon chicken. Beef stir fry, it's just basically what it sounds like, beef stir fry. Turkey skewers, again, I have a recipe for the turkey skewers if you're interested. And then on the Saturday the 14th is steak. Monday the 16th I have spaghetti bolognese, and if you're interested in that recipe, it will be linked in the description. So it's spaghetti and meat sauce, ragu sauce, whichever you want to say, and sticky chicken again, lasagna with the leftover bolognese sauce. I make lasagna, chicken rolls, and then this time on Friday the 20th it's gonna be sausage, eggs and chips, so sausage, eggs and fries, and then chicken vol au vent with the chicken that's left over from the roast chicken for the rolls here. I'll make some chicken vol au vents. Then on the 23rd we have burgers, homemade burgers, and I make them myself. Then a roast dinner, so that will either be a beef roast or a chicken roast. Roast dinner. Hunter's chicken is something else that I have been loving, and I will leave the recipe that I found for Hunter's chicken that I've been using in the description if you want to check out that. Ham and egg cups are basically like sliced ham with eggs in it, so we'll do that probably with some sort of veg. Chicken Kiev on Friday the 27th. On the 28th is steak, and then on the 30th we're back to spaghetti bolognese, and then on the 31st it's Robert's birthday, so we'll eat out somewhere for his birthday. So as you can see here, everything is pretty much meat based. We are massive lovers of meat here. We eat meat every single day, but we do put veg with the majority of our meals. So the spaghetti bolognese has lots of different vegetables in it. The chicken rolls we would add like lettuce and onions. The Hunter's chicken, we'd have it with like baked potatoes, and then we'd have like green beans or something on the side. So all of these will have some sort of veg. I just don't write that down just because I fake it that people know that I'm going to make some sort of veg with it. So that is my meal plan for July. So there we have it, guys. That is my meal plan for the month. As I said in the video, it's all meat based, but I do include veg as a side. So we are getting vegetables. If it's not included in the dish, like the spaghetti, it will be at the side, because we obviously do try to eat veg every day. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, I would love if you give it a thumbs up, and also if you are new here, I would love if you subscribe and hit that little red button, and then if you hit the bell button will let you know every single time I upload a new video. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you tomorrow with another one. Bye.